There's pretty much nothing happening really in the market. It's very flat. Excuse me, 6122 for the Nifty. Some bit of uptick that has come into select pharma names, so Reddy's and maybe a Sun Pharma up in the session. Mind you, there have also been stocks that have been preferred by our technical experts today, Sun Pharma in particular. So these are a couple of stocks that are doing okay for themselves. Coal India continues from its yesterday's uptick, so that is probably one noticeable point. L&T out of the numbers extremely flat. Mainly the action is in the broader markets. I mean, talk about a Tech Mahindra, for example, up 7.5% in the session today after the kind of numbers and the commentary that came out from that stock. So that's one big newsmaker in the session. The other big newsmaker is United Spirits, which is up by, I think, 2.5 to 3% or probably more than that on good volumes as well. It's not just the Morgan Stanley report, but just broadly the sentiment on United Spirits, because almost all brokerages are bullish on this. Of course, the MS report, and we'll talk about it in greater detail in the show, leading to this kind of an uptick. And selective mid-caps, which are up and about in the session as well.
Absolutely, but for the index, it's absolutely flattened out. And as you pointed out, you're really struggling to find out some movers in trade, given that we're fairly lackluster as a whole. Something like a TTML, that too is coming under a fair bit of pressure. So as we speak, it's off by 6.5%. You've got an Adani Ports, we spoke of that one as well, so at 155 as we speak. DLF is another counter, so seeing quite a bit of dropping for the second day on the trot. And you've got a Wockhardt also, which is off by 2.5%. Ranbaxy from the pharmaceutical pack is down and out, as are select stocks from the cement pack, so something like an Ambuja also looking weak. A Bank of Baroda, you've also got BPCL, GAIL India, as well as PFC, which are down and out. Not just United Spirits, Tech Mahindra, you've also got some of the other counters like a Z Entertainment ahead of its numbers. It's looking pretty strong in the session. Remember, we're expecting a pretty steady set of numbers for this one, 248.7.